First of all, I will point out that I'm not doing the process on my iPhone, okay? But it's the same process on any device. So if you are using iPhone, it is the same process that I will show you here, okay? First of all, you need to log in your Spotify and log into your account. You can also do this process with YouTube Premium, okay? Personally, I prefer Spotify, so I will show on Spotify, okay? After doing that, you need to click to search a music and click on the search bar. After doing that, you search for the music that you want to listen while playing a game, okay? So I will select this one just for example, but you need to search for the music that you want to play, okay? I will turn off the music to not have copyright issues. So click on the music, then close Spotify, and I'll log in the game that you want to play. In my case, I will show Clash Royale, okay? So you just need to open the game and you will see that the music is playing on the background, okay? If the music stops, you need to access Spotify permissions and give all permissions to Spotify on your iPhone. Then you can play the game while listening to music and playlists.